She don't play, and she my type. She got brains and them tatas. She that lady, she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let it smoke. Man, she don't play, and she my type. She got brains and them tatas. She that lady.
What is up, you guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get some passion twists. And it's my first time, so I don't even know how I'm gonna show you if I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna do this together. So I have some stuff here. I've already shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, and I've added a leave-in to my hair. So, and then I twisted it up last night, slept on it, and girl, this how it look. What is this on my chin? Chin shiny in the mud. I like to go from the back. I was gonna do like sections, but with braids and stuff, I like to just go from the back and work my way up. I'm not making perfect parts back here, but I do want to part my hair, you know, kind of straight. I have some edge controls over here too, girl. We got the Can-Su edge control. We got the Silk Elements edge control. I don't know who keeps texting me, but I got work to do. We got the EBIN edge control. And we have the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, because you need to make your hair nice and moisturized. Even though I got that leave-in on there, as you can see, that ain't enough. So we're going to add some Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Give it that extra moisture. Your hair is going to be in some twists. So this hair is the hair that I got. This is the Free Tress Braid Water Wave. This is in the 22-inch, and this is the color TT27. Now, if you guys don't know, the Boho Babe is the one who created the Passion Twist. And I'll link her video in the description bar so you can check out the original video. This is just your girl showing you how she do hers, okay? This is what the hair looks like. I love that it's unbraid. I'm like, yes, bitch. She said you just separate the top just like that. I think that's what she said. And then go like this and separate this side. Whoa. Alright. And then you should end up with something like that. I think I'm gonna use 2 or 3 pieces. Okay. Okay, so this is 2 pieces. This don't look too bad with just 2 pieces. Okay. Go ahead and comb that through. I think I'm gonna take the Can-Su Edge Gel for right now. Just gonna apply that at those roots, girl. That nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna add it to the ends of my hair too. And what I like to do is split it into 2. I was gonna do the braid, but y'all, this is really not hard. So you split it up into 2, and then put both pieces in both hands like they're right there. You start to twist one side. Right there, right there. Then you pull this over, and you basically switch your hands and put this in that hand and do the same thing. Twisting the same way you twisted the other side, girl. Now that you got it nice and tight up there, you want to just start twisting. So she said you want to just like twist, 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 pull up, 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 hey. Then at the end, you want to just finger coil that thing, girl. I think I want mine to end curly like this. I think that's cute. Okay, little chunky chunk. I don't know. It's coming up a lot. Okay. I'm gonna do some more of these, and then I'm gonna come back when I get close to the front, because I don't want to be in the back trying to figure it out with y'all. So once I get it down packed and I figure out which products and stuff I like, that's what I'm gonna come back and show you guys, okay? Okay. Okay, so it is now 7:09, and no, it did not take me this long to do my hair. On this side, I could not get the twirl, the little twisties. I couldn't get that right to save my life, but I think I got it now. It still be messing up sometimes. If you don't know how to do it, I just say start off with the braids, because honestly, ain't no easy way to do it. If you know how to do it, then definitely do it, but if you don't, I would start with a braid and then go into a twist, because this take a long time if you don't know what you're doing. I don't know if I showed y'all this, but this is actually a brand new edge control, and I pretty much used it all. Just get you some edge control to do this. Get you something to moisturize, like the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, because I've already added it to this section. And then your edge control is the main thing for the hairstyle. Like, you want to get these, get your roots smooth, get the end smooth, and you want to mesh the hair together with edge control. I've been pre-separating. What I recommend you doing is when you open a pack, just separate that whole pack, lay it out, and then go from there. And then when you run out of a pack, then stop again and separate. That's how I did it. It worked good. 2 more to go. Just 2 more. So, last one. I've already added the edge control and stuff. Go ahead and put this one in. Show you guys kind of a close-up. Gonna turn this one. I never know which way. Listen, this is the trial and error for me, but I'm twisting it. Then you take this one over that one and you twist it the same way. I think I just twisted that the same way. And then you just start going down. Make sure you add some of this edge control to the hair in your hair to mesh them together. I like doing that. Let's get that nice and edged. And when you get down to that part, then you'll understand why you just did that. After I get past where my hair is, that's when I get a little looser. And, you know, you can do your pull-ups. Pull up on the seam. Pull up on the seam. And I do like to moisturize the hair because it just helps me out. Like, I put some Curl Enhancing Smoothie, like, on the actual hair. It just works a little bit better to me. And I can really just, like, get her done, you know. I'm going to stand up so you guys can get the full view of the last one, baby. You want to twist, twist, pull up, twist, 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 pull up. Do like 4, just twist it like 4 or 5 times and pull up. Pull up on the seam. And that's going to create that crinkly look. But I didn't want to do the crinkly look up here because my hair crink right out that thing and ain't nobody got time for that. But whenever you get past your hair, like, definitely go in with the crinkle. Or whenever you want it to start crinkling, that's when you want to start doing this pull up. If you don't want it to crinkle up here, don't pull up there. Alright, then you want to just call that last little thing like that right there. Let it go. And as you can see, it's like crinkly. And we're done. We're finally done. We're finally done. Oh, freaking okay. Let's see. Maybe I'll take these over there too. I'm feeling it, you wine. I'm feeling it, you wine. Y'all feeling them? I'm feeling them. Okay. What do you think? Was this a great tutorial? Did you guys really like watching me do my hair in this protective style? I think I'm just going to have it for like 2 weeks. So don't be getting mad at me talking about, wait, we want your natural videos back. Girl, they ain't going nowhere. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What's up? What's good? Not CP time. I have everything that I use linked below. It looks like I just used 5 packs of the hair. I still have 2 packs left. I think I bought 7 packs. I'm gonna check, and if I'm wrong, I'll correct myself. But yeah, I don't know how many twists I got. I'm gonna count them and see, and then I'll put it on the screen somewhere so you guys can see how many I did. But I like it. You know, I'm gonna lace some more edges and stuff a little bit later, but I like it. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.